Hello viewers, welcome to the video. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a chat pop-up effect in After Effects. In the previous video, we explored how to generate a cinematic clip from a single image using AI. If you haven't watched that yet, check the previous video. Click the I button above or find the link in the description. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions, share them in the comments below. First, drag your clip into the timeline. Now, drag the chat icon into the timeline as well. Click on the Pan Behind tool to adjust the anchor point. Adjust the icon's edges so it aligns perfectly on the phone surface. Select the layer and press S to scale the icon. Set the scale value to around 20. Click on the keyframe, move a few frames back, and set the scale value to 15 for a smooth pop-up start. Select both keyframes, click the watch icon, and paste the elastic bounce script. Trim the timeline by pressing N, then right-click and choose Trim Comp to Work Area. After a few frames, create a keyframe on scale to make the icon disappear smoothly. Create a keyframe on opacity, move one frame forward, and set opacity to 0. Select both keyframes, right-click, and apply Easy Ease. Apply a gradient to the icon. Create a new shape for the chat bubble using the Shape tool. Adjust the anchor point to the rectangle edge. Add roundness to the rectangle edges. Unlink dimensions and increase the width. Drag the icon inside the rectangle. Add the title, text, and other elements. Add the chat line and adjust text size, font, and color. Select the ellipse tool and create a circle. Place the circle above the display picture. Press Ctrl D to duplicate the shape, set fill to none, and keep the stroke. Place this duplicate above the display icon to create a profile frame. Add a green check icon and text, add another text layer and adjust size and font. Select the pen tool and draw a straight line. Set line opacity to 25% and rectangle opacity to 35%. Select all layers and pre-compose to organize. Click on the 3D icon to enable 3D mode. Set the orientation middle value to 35 for a tilted look. Create keyframes for scale and position to animate the pop-up. Move a few frames forward and drag position upward. Go back a frame and adjust position to appear from the phone screen. Move a few frames back and scale the layer down to 0. Adjust keyframes for timing. Press F9 for easy ease and refine with the speed graph. paste the elastic bounce script on scale for a lively effect. Move a few frames forward and scale down the chat box to disappear. Adjust keyframe spacing to control speed. Create opacity keyframes to close the chat box from 100 to 0. Add a glow effect to make it stand out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.